Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook chicken crispy fry, gizzard and liver. So it's very delicious and very crispy. First thing to do, I have add black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and chili powder, paprika, onion, and beef powder or they call beef stock. So after that, add more onion powder and you have to mix it really good. Oh, and marinate that like 20 minutes. And also we proceed in our liver. Whatever I put, the gizzards, I put also the liver, like the seasoning, that's low sodium, and also chili powder, paprika powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and beef stock powder. So it's the same process and you have to mix it well. After that, while we marinate our gizzard and liver, we have to put flour and also cornstarch and add garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, chili powder, onion powder, and the seasoning or low salt, and also beef powder. And then you have to mix it well. So now while we have to make hot the frying pan and add oil, and temperature is 350 degrees or 360 with high temperature. And then after that we need to coat the gizzard first with the flour and cornstarch. And then we have to fry. So I put like medium now the temperature, so I don't want to get burned. So you have to mix it or turn the gizzard. So it's look really good, and the color also. It's very tasty. You have to try, guys. Thank you so much to all supporters, silent viewers. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave comment. And to all my silent viewers, thank you to all of you, and God bless. So now our gizzard is ready. So now after this, we have to put our liver or some of the gizzard. It's the same process. So now we have to turn the gizzard and also the liver. You have to try, guys. You can put the ketchup or characha or ranch to dip on this gizzard and liver. If you want to double fry, then you can double fry to get more crispier. Some of the lizard and gizzard I double fried. So now it's done. So it's this very tasty and crispy. So we have to put the last batch, the gizzard. So the gizzard and liver here is not really expensive. It's cheap. So I bought this in Walmart. So I need to turn now the liver. So thank you, thank you. I hope you like it and subscribe my channel. To those who don't subscribe yet, please subscribe and likes if you like this video. Then you have to share. And thank you again. So I really sorry guys that I don't visit your house or whatever there because I went vacation in the Philippines for 1 month and a half and I uploaded a random videos for our vacation. Thank you for understand. So now I double fried as you can see, okay? So our gizzard, we have to put back and the liver to make to cook crispy, more crispier. I'm sorry, that's motion detected smart camera. I'm sorry that one. That is my CCTV in my house in the Philippines. It gets you up there, so. So thank you guys. I hope you like my videos and thank you to all support. So now our gizzard and liver is ready. So we have to put aside and let the oil to get the liver and gizzard to get dry. So now it's ready to almost ready. So you have to try. It's very delicious and very crispy. So this is my own recipe and very tasty. So I try to cook really good to make more crispier and fried double for this gizzard and liver. It's look perfect. The color is perfect, and also the it's very cooked. Sorry guys, my CCTV in my house in the Philippines, it kept showing up. So because I got access for my cell phone, so I'm here in US. I can see my house there back home. So now it's ready to serve and put in on the plate. So if you want to put the dip sauce, you can put the ranch or sriracha, ketchup, mayonnaise. It's up to you, whatever you're comfortable, or sweet and sour sauce. So thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe, like, share, and please leave a comment. Thank you to all, and God bless. So let's try our chicken and liver. Is so I eat it with the brown rice. It tastes really good and very tasty. So you need to try, guys. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. And the liver, it's cooked perfect.